I would say Canada is a practical land, and if you can dream it, you can make it. My name is Samex.
My name is Pyoja. We are co-founders of Pynnox.
And this is our startup story. In the COVID times, everybody was concerned about the contamination, but on the same time, the medicines were not that safe. They were not highly protected from the children's, and on the same time, they were not made for the experience of seniors. So then we realized that there's a huge gap in between an ideal packaging and the existing packaging. So we start working toward the ideal packaging.
And eventually we came up with just one part solution, which was the best fit for today's market fit, and which was cost efficient as well, visually impaired friendly, senior friendly, as well as it was child resistant.
We came up upon idea, we made it, we did the prototyping. Eventually it required a lot of funds where we got privileged to get funded with some government agencies, where we worked upon our ideas and came up with the real products. And on the same time, we knew, with time we realized that it would not gonna be so easy for us to have that revolutionary product in the market. So we tried to communicate with the companies, and eventually we learned that for our some products, the Canadian market or the North American market is more educated, because the education was again a challenge which came upon us to educate people that how the packaging should be improvised, how it is important to have more sustainable and child-proof. So we just bifurcated some of our products for Indian market, and on same time some of products for this North American market.
So in the pharmaceutical industry, we noticed that North American is the major sector or the major segment where most of the pharmaceutical companies are. So that's why Canada is our most customer-centric area. The culture in our country and here is different. That was also a huge challenge for us, like sometime interacting with some of the entrepreneurs or some of the companies. It was difficult to interact with them, like we were having different culture, business culture, but BHive here played a crucial role. They taught us like what's the right way and what's the difference exactly, and how to deal and how to introduce ourselves in this market. So every day coming for a session, like even a single session every day, it's a privilege for us and it's excited for us as well. Everyone, the mentors and the team here is so much friendly.
Being a part of BHive is having a boat in an ocean, I would say. We don't know anybody, we don't have much of the connection over here. So BHive is playing a crucial part to get connected us to the right people. It's so crucial. We even can't imagine being in Canada without having BHive in place. So here, the team, first of all, I would want to say that the team is very friendly. Everybody is always available, and whenever we need some support, they always, we see them always behind us.
There were so many sessions, there were even the food. They explored us to different kinds of food, and at the collision time, all the team was staying even with us. So it was really a great time. I was scrolling LinkedIn and there was an event there, and I was curious to attend that event. It was not in my mind that I would be moving to Canada, but suddenly I attended the event, and then I received an email, and then I realized this is a great opportunity.
And then when we eventually approached the BHive team, and they were very helpful to help us and bring us to Canada with our whole journey. in a very smooth landing process. So that's how we just got connected and moved over here.